How to use Perplexity Collections. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will discuss about how to use Perplexity Collections, which is pretty much a feature that Perplexity offers for free, and we can actually go ahead and utilize that, and we will show you exactly how to do so. Now, going back, Perplexity AI itself, you should already know. If not, it's pretty much an AI tool where you can just go in and ask it anything, and it's just going to give you answers. Really, just like Chat GPT, for example. And you can also ask it more complex stuff like creating scripts for you and so much more that you can actually do. But we can also use something else which is called collections, which could make things a lot easier. And at the same time, we can just organize stuff under one collection. So it's, instead of creating multiple threads all randomly, we can actually go ahead and create collections and keep them in that specific collection. So how do we actually use it? So first you will need to open up your Perplexity AI, and then from here we would want to go to the library on the left panel. Click on that, and then from here we should find the collections tab on the right side. So just go ahead and click on get started. This is pretty much if you don't have any collections already, by the way. You can just click on get started or click on the plus icon. It does not really matter here. And once we create a collection, it's going to ask us a few things that are going to be essential. For example, the title of the actual collection. So what type of projects are you planning to have reside in this collection? I'm just going to name it test collection. Next up is an optional emoji just for you to be able to locate it easily. So we can just go in and add any random emoji here. Let's just go ahead and add this cowboy hat. And then here, description. You can just go ahead and set up a description where you can tell yourself or other people, which you can actually share this collection to, what this collection is about, how do you want it to function, and so much more. So feel free to add a description here to your liking, which is going to pretty much describe this entire collection. And then we have the AI prompt. So here you can give instructions to the AI that affect every thread in the collection. So here you can actually go ahead and add a prompt giving instructions to the actual AI. And then you can just go ahead and tell the AI, for example, that I have this template that we are just going to be using. And then whenever I enter a new thread, just go ahead and use this template of a prompt, and it's actually going to do so. So let me just go ahead and think of something, and then we can just go ahead and move from there. Okay, I'm not really creative that much, so I just pretty much just, copied this entire thing and I just wrote it again. But anyways, you can just go ahead and add any AI prompt that you want, which is going to be related to whatever you want from this collection. And then you can also set up the privacy, which could be shareable or secret. If it's shareable, you can actually go ahead and grab a link to the collection where you can have other people view it or even work on it with you. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on create. Now inside the collection, but first if we just go to library here, we can actually find them from the right panel. As you can see, if we click on them, we can actually go ahead and see the description, the AI prompt, if you want to just go ahead and copy it and paste it in here if you want, and the normal pretty much prompt here. You can actually go ahead and add any, and then all the threads that are from within the collection are going to end up in here instead of the actual library itself, which is a great way to achieve this. So you can actually just go ahead and add the AI prompt, and then we can just go ahead and paste it, and we can just go, for example, and to buy or whatever it may be, and you can just go ahead and enter, and you will have your pretty much answers and everything, and it's going to be collected and basically available in the collections tab here from threads. Now it does take a little bit of time to load, but actually whenever you actually write a thread from within the collection itself, is going to be applied and added in here. And also you don't even need to copy the prompt itself and paste it in here to actually apply it. It's going to be auto applied already, as you can see here from the bottom right. So you can just go ahead and keep adding threads in here. It's just going to show up in the actual collection. And you can also feel free to share the collection from the top right. And you can also invite someone to work on the collection with you from here by adding them by email. So this is pretty much the basics of collections. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.